You guys, the coolest thing just happened to me. Everyone's been so concerned about my generator, and so many people threw forth a few bucks here, a few bucks there, and I'm super, super grateful for each one of you. Wandering Mia made a GoFundMe that a few of you have already donated to. So, I got this notification on my phone. She managed to find a deal on the generator that I had and threw me $600 to go pick it up today. So right now I'm right outside of Nomad's nest, and I'm about to head out and go pick up my new generator. I just can't believe this is happening to me. Like, okay, let's be realistic, right? Like, I'm just some fucking dude. Let me buckle up before I get rear-ended by a semi-truck. I just can't believe this happened. Let's be realistic, right? Like, I'm just some fucking dude who decided to make a YouTube channel. I never expected this kind of kindness from this community. I never did. So, after going 2 weeks without power at my house and having to go to the restaurant to plug in my battery, because of the kindness of Kelly and her husband, I am on my way to get my generator right now. Hey guys, guess where I am? I have to move some money around in order to go buy this real quick, so I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna go and get my generator. Alright guys, I can't get out until that guy leaves. He's flying around out there, so I guess I'm stuck here forever. Oh, I fucking hate wasps and hornets and bees. I think it left. Oh. There it is. There's the one. This was like $200 more in Colorado.
Oh, really? Wow, that's pretty good. 669.14.
All right. Yeah. Woohoo! Dude, I got a generator. I can't wait to get home. Okay, folks, I have pulled the generator out of the box. I have gotten it fueled up, got oil in it. It's almost ready to fire up. Okay, so I gotta turn on the gas right there. Gotta turn it to run. I gotta pull the pull start, and then I'll have power. I said, and then I'll have power. Hell yeah! have power. Yes. It's because of all of your kindnesses that I even have electricity now, so thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you.